Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. We have over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button so you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals as soon as they hit the lot. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of this specific vehicle or anything else we have in our lot, please go to our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a really cool, very unique piece. This is a 2019 Dodge Challenger RT Scat Pack. But guys, this is a special edition, limited build. It's called the Mopar 19. The Mopar 19 comes with a bunch of additional options on it. For example, you got the red brake calipers. You got the black hood pin kit. I got the hood popped so I can show you under the hood so you can't really see them too well, but when it's shut, it definitely does give it a nice look right there on the front of the hood. It also comes with front strut tower brace by Mopar also, premium floor mats, and also some awesome graphics as you can see there. And much, much more. Plus, this vehicle also has a Harman Kardon speaker system in it, which is the top of the line. As you can see, it does have the shaker hood on it right there up front. Very functional, very, very nice, really cool looking option to have right there as well. As you can see, this one is white in color, and it does have that blue stripe on the hood like we talked about. I turned on the lights here up front, very aggressive front end as you can see. Really cool, completely blacked out rims on this. These are Mopar rims. This is a 20-inch rim. It's wrapped in a 235/45Z 20-inch rim, so that is a really, really cool wheel. And as you can see, it does have them Brembo red brake calipers on it. Gives a very, very nice look on it. All in all, extremely nice vehicle. Guys, this vehicle has never even been outside as far as in the weather. As soon as it came off the truck, it instantly came right into our showroom, and that's where it'll stay till it's sold. On the back, it does have rear backup sensors located along the bottom of the rear bumper, and it also does have the dual exhaust. This vehicle comes with a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. It also comes with additional coverage when it comes to the powertrain, and you also have additional options to purchase even more coverage if you would like. And like I said, guys, this is a limited build with it being a Mopar 19. First, let's check under the hood before we get inside. As you can see, it's got the nice shaker badging sticker right there on top of the hood right there. Extremely aggressive underneath, as you can tell right there. Got the strut mounts right there on the side with the nice Mopar emblem on it. All in all, extremely beautiful underneath the hood there. As far as the inside goes, it's going to beep, guys, because I have the vehicle on. But it does have power windows, as you can see here, power locks and power mirrors. It does have a cloth seat, as you can see, but it also does have the Mopar emblem in the back headrest. Side airbags right there on the side, as you can see, and this does come with a power seat with a power lumbar. This is a manual transmission, guys, which makes it extremely cool also. It does have automatic overhead headlights located on there. And starting on the driver's side, on the left-hand side of the steering wheel here, these set of buttons right here are going to operate your instrument cluster located here in the center. That's going to show you a bunch of different stuff, anywhere from how fast you're going to all your information of your vehicle, whether it's your tire pressure monitoring system, coolant temperature, oil pressure, and there is a lot more in there, guys. All your performance settings are in here too, as you can see there. Your fuel economy, all your trip information. It'll even show you what radio station you're on with this, and also give you a message board of anything that's going on with the vehicle while driving it. Underneath that, we do have a capability of programming your vehicle or your phone directly into this vehicle. Therefore, when you want to answer them phone calls while driving down the road, you simply hit the green button. Carry on the conversation directly through your speaker system. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all the cruise control settings. And then on the back of the right-hand side, we have option to increase and decrease the volume of the radio. And then on the back of the left-hand side, we also have the option of changing your radio station. This vehicle does come with AM/FM Sirius Xm Radio. It does say acquiring signal because we are inside the building, so you cannot hear anything as of right now. But it does come with a free subscription when purchasing this vehicle brand new. Capability of adding media directly into this. And it also does have your dual climate controls on this. So you have a his and her section, driver and passenger. You can set them on different temperatures, as you can see there. Or you can simply sync them by hitting the sync button. You can do so. There's also an auto feature, and by hitting the auto feature, which is located up here up top, and then make sure the interior of the cab gets to that 69 degrees where it's set on right here, and maintains it by increasing and decreasing the speed and also the temperature blowing out of the vents. Bunch of apps that are built into this vehicle. It does have Travel Link, which is an awesome thing too, and that comes with a free subscription when purchasing a vehicle brand new. It'll show you your weather, it'll show you the traffic in front of you as far as traffic jams, road constructions. Just a really cool feature to have. Heated seats, even though they are cloth, guys, they are heated. There is two settings. There is a high and a low setting for the front driver and the front passenger. There's also a heated steering wheel that comes with this, and this vehicle also does have a backup camera that'll show up in the screen when putting it in reverse. This vehicle also is equipped with factory navigation, as you can see there. And like I said earlier, you can simply pair your phone directly in that radio if you'd like. Huge touch screen radio with many options. Really cool feature. Push button start, as you can see there. Simply push the button, leave the keys in your pocket. Makes it really nice anytime, but whether it's unlocking your vehicle or starting your car, your keys always stay in your pocket. You can even lock your vehicle from the outside on the door handle by simply pushing a button. Once again, your keys will never come out of your pocket. Underneath that, we got all your volume controls. The volume here on the left-hand side, and you can also change your radio station right here on the right. We got all your launch features down here. You get your launch button, your parking sensors for the rear. You can turn on and off right here. And then you also have a second option when it comes to your climate control section right here. So not only can you operate it from inside the radio, you can also operate it right here, right above the manual shift. Manual shift right here. Nice cup holders located right behind that. A nice leather wrapped armrest with plenty of storage underneath there. And here are the pins for the front hood. There's two of them, obviously, for the left and the right. We did not want to put them on because we did not want customers to be scratching the paint, taking them on and off. So we just left them in there so they did not get damaged. 12-volt DC plug in there. Plenty of USB and auxiliary plugs in there also. Glove box located right in front of the passenger seat, and the logo right there that says Mopar number 82. So this is the 82nd Mopar 19 build that they did, which is really cool also. Passenger seat, same as the driver's seat, and also same as the rear. Nothing really fancy about the rear. It's kind of hard to tell when we're inside the showroom anyways. It's kind of dark. Just a cloth seat back there in the back. It does have capability of child safety hooks. So if you want to tether in a car seat, you can do it safely and securely with this vehicle, which makes it really nice. All in all, extremely hard vehicle to find, guys. They only did a limited build on these, like I said, so it's definitely a one of a kind vehicle if you're looking for one of them Dodge Challengers. And like I said, guys, this is a 2019 Dodge Challenger Mopar 19, which is basically a Mopar Challenger RT Scat Pack with a bunch of options on it. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. We are one of the leading selling dealers in the country when it comes to all new and pre-owned vehicles. If you're looking for the best deal in town, make sure you always give us a call, or you can check us out online at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. And if you're on YouTube, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can be assured to see all of our new arrivals, just like this one here today. And one last point, guys, no matter where you live in the country, we can put this vehicle in your driveway. Whether you want it on a carrier or if you want us to personally drive it to your house, I don't care if you're in California, we can put this vehicle in your driveway. And once again, Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram.